Collision of two passenger ships off the coast of Sweden. Passenger ship Gotlandia 2. This is a high-speed ferry operated by the Swedish company Destination Gotland. It was built by Fincantieri in Italy in 2006. It is used on Destination Gotland routes, Nynashamn Visby and Oskarshamn Visby. The ferry can carry up to 780 passengers and has a jet propulsion system that can reach speeds of up to 35 knots. Freight passenger ferry Gotland. This is a ro-ro type passenger ship owned and operated by the Swedish ferry company Destination Gotland. The vessel can accommodate 1,500 passengers and 500 vehicles, or 120 trucks. Launched in 2003. The vessel operated on the ferry route Visby-Nynashamn, port to Oskarshamn and Vastervik, crossing time 3 hours. Collision of ships. On 23 July 2009, due to heavy fog, two fleetmates, Destination Gotland ferries, collided near Stockholm in Sweden. The collision took place at about 11 a.m. It is reported that 12 people were injured, 5 of them were hospitalized. The MS Gotland ferry carried a total of 1,338 passengers and 76 crew members. The vessel received damage to the hull, hole 30 centimeters. Another vessel, HSC Gotlandia 2. High-speed ferry, carried 579 passengers and 19 crew. The smaller ferry reported serious damage to the starboard hull. A large hole at the height of the passenger deck that smashed the entire seating area. Both ships were found to be operationally safe and sent to the shipyard for repairs. The smaller vessel reportedly tried to avoid a collision with a large cargo and passenger vessel. The deflection maneuver sent him on the path of his fellow in the fleet MS Gotland. HSC Gotlandia 2 departed from the home port of Visby, Gotland Island, in the morning with a scheduled connection at Nynashamn in Sweden at 11:35 minutes. The reason for the collision of two ferries in the port of Nynashamn south of Stockholm was assumed to be due to heavy fog. But the Swedish Transport Agency has confirmed that a third ship may have been involved in the crash. 10 people were injured in the crash between the departing motor ship Gotland and the Gotlandia 2 dock. Initial reports described the collision between the two boats caused by fog, but the Swedish Accident Investigation Board confirmed in a press conference that a small barge anchored in the canal could disrupt traffic in the area, contributing to the accident. Göran Rosvall, chairman of the Swedish Air Accident Investigation Council, told Swedish Radio News it is most likely not a technical failure that is to blame, but pure luck that no one died as a result of the collision. The seats were very broken, and it was very lucky that people began to move to the exits. Many people could die if the vacant spaces were filled with people, he said. Nynashamn harbor is the main ferry port for ships departing for the Baltic resort island of Gotland. Thousands of people found themselves in a difficult situation when the movement of ships stopped after the accident. Although the ferry service resumed the next day, nevertheless, the departure of vacation. That's all, friends. Share your video. Like it. Subscribe. See you.